Hey guys,
Basically, the only thing
so
that I know
we got a
about-
new dog. Her name is Rosie. She's very beautiful.
She's the best thing
It was a
ever.
surprising 1v1.
What?
Thought that guy was gonna be trash. He actually won though.
And she actually kind of like licks me sometimes. Not this time, but. Bye guys.
Alright.